Hi guys, and welcome back to the second video in a series of how to draw birds. Last video was how to draw a baby duck, and this video is how to draw a swan. So first of all, we're going to start a little bit with a kind of like an extended gumdrop in a way. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just like to get a shape. So then it goes steep here and then not so steep here, and it's elongated here. Its full height is reached usually just about at the end. Then I'm going to draw a little circle down here. And I'm going to bring it up a little bit over where the end of the gumdrop is. Then I'm going to draw another circle just where the head is. Then another little circle here. And the beak. Then we're going to thicken up his neck a little bit. It's going to go back here and into the circle. And that's going to join up with the gumdrop. Then here goes to the back. Goes down and connects to the gumdrop. So now I'm going to make a little kind of like a shape here. Then over where you've put your circle here. Okay, so over here, it's going to go up into a little point and down again. Okay, so here we have the basic shape a little bit. And now over here, we're going to make the first wing. Okay, so here I have a basic swan shape. Then we're gonna go out from the wing into a little point, and then into another one for the end of the tail. Okay, so you could just leave it like this as a sketch, but I'm going to ink it in with one of my new inking pens. So yeah, I'm going to ink this in and then I'll be back. So I finished inking it in, and now I am going to erase all of the guidelines. Okay, so once again, you could just leave it here, but I am going to color it in, and I'm also going to add a little bit of texture to its wings. So this isn't a how to color video, so I'm going to color it in, and then I'm going to show you how to add a little bit of texture to show the feathers. I'll be back in a second. feather and a few, you know, tall stems of grass to the picture. And now I'm going to show you guys how I add texture to the wings. So it's just a little bit, you add a few like I guess you could say squiggles here and there to make it look like the feathers are a little bit ruffled. And I try to make them look like they're a little bit layered. So for example, if I have this layer here, there's like the next layer. But I don't try and make it, you know, too obvious. Just a little bit subtle. Now with this pen, I'm not pressing down very hard. Just running it a little bit along the swan. Now on the neck, I just do like little, kind of like scales in a way, because swans, their neck, they look like the feathers are a little bit like shorter, so it looks a bit more ruffled. Okay. I hope you like this drawing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!